Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Honorable Foreman Jomar Mestola. Tan 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 tan! Congratulations! Okay.
Greeting for a skilled to lead man. Virgel.
Thank you, sir.
Graduating for labor to honor by foreman to graduate steelman. Ano ka? For skilled to semi-multi skilled carpentry. For labor honor to foreman graduating to safety officer.
Oh.
Nasa kasama na eh.
Sumama ka sa kanila.
Oh.